My name is Frank Monterrosa. I am the Sales and Business Development Manager at Orders in Seconds. So in this occasion, I will be covering how you can empower some of your customers to create and submit their own orders using a mobile app. These solutions that we have are specifically designed for distributors and wholesalers to maximize their sales by automating the different sales channels. So before I move on to the live demo, let me explain how we are working in combination with QuickBooks in order to manage everything in one solution. So the solution basically has three main components. The first one is what we call the OIS Connect, or the interface with QuickBooks. So what that means is if you have customers, products, pricing, inventory, and QuickBooks, we're going to be synchronizing all that data to the second component, which is the main central system or the admin portal. So the admin portal is the right complement of QuickBooks to manage all the things related to the e-commerce platform. As you guys know, QuickBooks might be limited in certain things, right? For the e-commerce life, establishing what products they can see whenever they submitting order, establishing price rules, establishing limits, all those type of things that you have limitations in QuickBooks, you will be able to do it with the second component that is fully integrated with QuickBooks. So, and the third component is basically the mobile app that you would give to your customers to create their own order. So what's going to happen is this. Let me go ahead and put myself as one of the customers, your customers. So in this case, let me go ahead and project my mobile phone that I have physically with me, which is normally what a customer is going to have on their hand, right? So in this case, look, I have my mobile app, the one that the customer is going to be using. And once you open the app, you're going to have your user and password. Each of the customer will have user and password. So whenever they log in, look, if they scroll down or whenever they access with their credential, that's exactly what they're going to see. Only the products that you are allowing them to see from the app, the pricing structure, the specials and promotion. Notice right here, if you're having a special and promotion going on for that store, it is going to be reflected right here. So let's go ahead and create an order from the customer perspective. So you're going to come right here to where it says new. Whenever you click on new, it'll show you all the products that you have into your system that you want to allow them to see it from the field. So if you notice, I can put the quantity that I need. I can also click on details about that item. The system also has the capability to manage what we call upselling and cross-selling. So that means if you have this product and that product is related to another one, it'll be shown right here. So that way you can add another one of this item specifically from here. Once you're done, look, once you're done, you will be able to, if I create an internal purchase order number, I can place it right here. The order date that you create in the transaction. And once you have it ready, you can do two things. You can even save this transaction, save it locally because it could work online or offline. Let me go back to something very important. Let me go back to the shopping cart. If you notice on the left upper corner, I have the camera. The camera will be very helpful whenever you have the product right there in front of you. So that way you don't have to be searching for that item. You can just scan it and automatically will be added to the purchase order that you are creating. So once you have the order ready, look, you're going to say, look, I'm going to save this transaction that I just created. I can do this. I can share this document through WhatsApp, Skype, Instagram, Telegram, social media. You can go ahead and print it out. If you have a regular printer with you, you can go ahead and print it and send it to your warehouse personnel so that whenever they do the delivery, you know what you're going to be getting, right? So if I go ahead and submit that order, remember, I created this order as a XYZ store. So that order, what's gonna happen is this. That order that I just created is gonna come to the central system to here. So remember, following the flow, that order that it was generated from the mobile app, it'll come to the central system and automatically will be synchronized to your QuickBooks, right? Like in this case, look, let me go ahead and show you that option. Just a second, please. Take a look at this. That order that I just created, it's coming to the main central system. So this is the second component that I was explaining. So what happened is this. Remember that I created an order for XYZ store as a customer, scanning the product, validating if I have any special and promotion. This is the one that I have, right? This is the order. So you can do two things. We can pass that information as an estimate to QuickBooks. We can pass it as an invoice. You can validate it first and then pass it as a final document, or you can say just, hey, get it as an estimate, and then later on, I will continue with the process that I have already established in QuickBooks. So like in this case, I will pass that information as an estimate, and if I come right here to my sales, look, I'm gonna come to my sales. See all the sales. So this is the transaction that I just created. XYZ store. It was created from the store and it was submitted to QuickBooks. So that way from QuickBooks, you can go ahead and do your picking and fulfillment and then convert this transaction into an invoice. So that way you have it ready for delivery. So if you notice, the system is really simple to use, and basically this is how it works. So if you would like to have more information about how about these solutions, you can contact me www.ordersinseconds.com or send me an email to Frank Monterrosa at ordersinseconds.com, and I will be able to assist you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.